In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Fluffy Mod Manager for Resident Evil 4. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the Fluffy Mod Manager and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Once extract done, right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop this Fluffy Mod Manager extracted folder inside of a game. And now open the Fluffy Mod Manager. Open this mod manager.exe and select choose game. Scroll down and select the Resident Evil 4 Remake and select choose game folder and select choose the game install folder and navigate to the game folder and select folder option. Once you're done, select the mod list and now minimize. Just go back to Resident Evil 4. Right click on the REFramework and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Drag and drop this din put 8.dll inside of the game folder and then close stuff here. Open the mod manager and drag and drop this script core inside the mod manager. Select the REFramework, turn on the script core, go back to mod list. Now check my video description for this mods link. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna remove this girl's armor. Select the manual download option and select slow download option. You can download any other mods you like, guys. The download done, drag and drop this downloaded RAR file inside the mod manager. Now select the mod from the mod list. Scroll down, MIC. Just select the snow armor jacket. Turn on everything in this list. Go back to mod list. Make sure you turn on the mod and minimize this and launch the game. Once you are in game, select this expand configuration. Menu key, select the menu key and press any key that you like to open this REFramework. And now close tab here and press the key that you use to open this REFramework. The mod is working fine. As you can see, this girl's armor has been removed. And that's how you can install any mods in Resident Evil 4. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.